How are you? We are on the road, guys. Oh, naka 21 minutes na pala tayo. Hindi pa rin ako nakapag-highlight. Oh, ayan, highlight. Yan. Alright. Thank you guys for coming along. Thank you for joining me in this road trip stream. Hello from Korea. Andrew Song. Big up shout out to you. You're watching from Korea. Which part of Korea? South Korea? North Korea?
They're North Korea. There's no way North Korea can get access to that.
I'm just kidding. Hello, Andrew. Shout out to you. Ganda ng Arizona. Sana makapunta ako dyan, T. Invite mo ako. Wow. Shout out mo ako sa highlights. O sige. Highlights. IB Madrid Alegado. Ang aking member. Shout out. Watching from China. Nasa China siya ngayon. Ayan. Funny. O, malapit na tayo sa inspection. So that means malapit na tayo sa sa border. We're getting close to California border. We are actually here in the border. Are we? Babe.
It's coming up, yep.
Yeah, it's coming up. All vehicle must stop. Salamat naman sa pawash out. Pawash out.
Colorado River.
Here's a Colorado River. Ito yung ito yung nagbo-border ng dalawang state, California and Arizona. There you go, California state line.
We are in California.
Officially, we are now in California. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng kotse, lahat ng sasakyan mag-stop para kanilang inspeksyonin. Mana. Oh, hindi na nila in-inspection. They did not inspect our car. Most of the time they don't inspect our car because it's just sometimes it's depends on the driver license plate. So if that person have a good standing of driver license, then they don't really do a thorough inspection. Kautot na naman ako sa'yo. Nag-wash out ka na naman. Sino nakaano ngayon, Ivy? Nasa road ako, hindi ako maka-support ngayon. The whole day kaming nasa road ngayon. Blythe, next 4 exit. Oh, let's compare the price of the gas here. Let's just for fun. Red Butterfly 23, mega love shout out, guys. Thank you, Sisi. Salamat, guys, sa pagpa-member nyo sa aking YouTube channel. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Si Ma'am Angging P. Ang